Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to share one of my favorite breakfast recipes with you today, overnight oats. You know how much I love a good hearty breakfast, but sometimes those mornings get away from me. That's why overnight oats are a lifesaver. They're nutritious, super easy to make, and the best part is, you prep them the night before. Now, I'm all about keeping things simple, but I also love a little something to make my taste buds happy. That's where the fun begins with overnight oats because you can customize them every which way. From fruits and nuts to spices and sweeteners, the possibilities are endless. So, whether you're a busy bee like me or just looking for a healthy and delicious way to start your day, overnight oats are the answer. Let's get to mixing and create some breakfast magic. Let's start with the heart and soul of overnight oats, the basic recipe. Grab your favorite jar or container. Mason jars are my go-to for that rustic charm. And let's get started. You'll need a half cup of rolled oats, a half cup of milk. I like almond milk, but any milk will do, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. Now, chia seeds are optional, but they add a delightful little crunch and are packed with nutrients. Next comes the sweetener. A tablespoon of honey or maple syrup does the trick, but feel free to adjust to your liking. Give everything a good stir until it's well combined, seal your jar tight, and let it hang out in the fridge overnight. That's it. See? I told you it was easy as pie. And the beauty of this basic recipe is that it's like a blank canvas. You can get as creative as you want with toppings and mix-ins. Think fresh berries, sliced bananas, a sprinkle of cinnamon, a dollop of yogurt, chopped nuts, you name it. Now let's take a trip to the tropics with my tropical paradise overnight oats. This recipe is like a vacation in a jar, and it's so easy to whip up. We're starting with our trusty basic recipe oats, milk, chia seeds, and sweetener. But this time, we're using coconut milk for that extra tropical vibe. Once you've got your base, it's time to add the sunshine. Toss in a handful of juicy pineapple chunks, a sprinkle of toasted coconut flakes, and a few macadamia nuts for a little crunch. Give it a good stir, pop it in the fridge, and let the flavors mingle overnight. Come morning, you'll have a breakfast that's as bright and cheerful as a sunny beach day. It's refreshing, fruity, and the perfect way to start your day on a happy note. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, chocolate lovers, this one's for you. My chocolate peanut butter overnight oats is the ultimate indulgence, and it's guaranteed to satisfy your sweet tooth. Again, we're building on that basic overnight oats recipe, but this time we're adding a spoonful of creamy peanut butter and a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Now, if you're feeling extra decadent, and I usually am, slice up half a banana and add it to the mix. The banana adds a touch of sweetness and a lovely creamy texture. Mix everything together, seal your jar, and let it chill in the fridge overnight. In the morning, you'll wake up to a breakfast that tastes like a peanut butter cup dream. It's rich, chocolatey, and so satisfying. Trust me, this recipe will make getting out of bed a whole lot easier. Well, there you have it, friends. 3 delicious and easy overnight oats recipes to get you started. Now, don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen and experiment with your own flavor combinations. The beauty of overnight oats is that you can tailor them to your own taste. So go ahead, grab your favorite ingredients and let your imagination run wild. And be sure to share your overnight oats creations with me on social media. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Happy cooking, y'all. Stay gorgeous. Till next time, like and subscribe.